بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. پیارے نبی پر ہر پل لاکھوں درود و سلام. My today's video is for the person who burned the Quran, Holy Quran in Sweden. That rubbish guy, that narrow-minded person who has done this act, we really condemn that, and he should think, he should be ashamed that his own religious leader, Pope, also condemned that. And what I know from my knowledge, my experience, my age, whole world and the all religions, no one will say this is a good act. Everybody will condemn this one. Those who will be agreeing with this bloody guy, so those will be like a narrow-minded, and they are not having a peaceful mind. All those who need the peaceful world, and all those who want to live with their religion and their religious value calmly and smoothly, they won't do all these bloody acts. So I will continue my talking in coming seconds. Let's listen and let's hope for the best, and let's hope for the community, for the favor of the peace of the world. Do not destroy the peace of the world by doing all these bloody and nonsense things. And Quran is the book. If you people don't know, just go and read it or investigate it or research about the Quran. Quran has proved all the prophets, those are documented in Old Testament and the New Testament, like Christians prophet Isa, alayhi salam, has been proved in Quran. So Quran, when it comes to this world, it ends all the old literature from Allah, and it says that they were right books. Quran does not say the old books were wrong. So try to understand the theory and theme of the Islam. Islam is not the religion which came in the world to create some kind of hostility or some new thing. Quran has got the same teachings which were in the Old Testament and in the New Testament. Only the thing, when Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala sent his last prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam to show all the world that all the prophet before him, they were all right and they were the messengers of Allah. And just for your kind information, if a Muslim does not believe the prophet Isa alayhi salam, which Christians believe, so a Muslim is not a Muslim, he is out from the Muslim community. So try to understand the teachings of Islam and teaching of Quran. And by burning, by tearing, or by insulting Quran, you are not going to do anything with Islam or Quran. Quran is a so huge and so greatest book in the world, which is from the Allah. Can I tell you one thing? You remove all the Quran literature books in the world. I bet with you, I challenge all the world. You remove all the Quran from the world, from the all mosque, from all the houses, just hide them from the Muslims. You know Quran is where? Quran is saved in the heart of those Muslims who have memorized Quran. And that is the miracle of Quran. That you can go in some places where blind people can memorize and can recite the whole Quran in front of you, even they cannot see. That is the miracle of Quran. Quran has been saved in the hearts of the most of the Muslims who has memorized it. So it will be saved till the day of judgment. So there is not going to be any person in this world who can change or remove this Quran. So your act to burn is shows your dirty act, and the person behind you who teaches you to do this bloody wrong thing, it's not good act. What do you want to show? and you are doing on the Eid holiday, what happened? Everybody is against you. Even your own community, religion people also against you. So do not do like these things. And those people and those non-Muslim people who are promoting and behind these things, they should get the lesson from this, and they should learn that by burning a book, it is not the proof that you are saying a thing is wrong. Suppose if I take one book and I say this book is wrong, I don't believe it, so I burn it. So what does it act? This act is totally a brutal, totally a mental case, total stupidity. Okay, it has nothing to do with the reality. Okay, if you are having some mind, if you think you are really something extraordinary person, you have some knowledge, okay, come, we do the table talk. We discuss about the literature of Quran, what you want to discuss, what you want to say, what is in your heart. By burning the Quran to showing the world, what the hell is this? These all acts have nothing. As I told you, Islam is the religion of peace, and whole world has seen in the 10th Hijri, when Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam entered in the Makkah. When 10th Hijri, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam entered in the Makkah, what was his reaction? His head was down towards the earth, and he entered in the place from where he was removed and sent back to migrate to Medina and other places. So what happened? All those his enemies, they were expecting that he is going to take the revenge from us. But what Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam did in the past, and he created a very good moral history. And once he entered in the Makkah as a conqueror, as the winner, what he did, he was entering with a very humble, his humble acts. And what he did, he said, today, everybody, all my enemies, all those who has hurt me, hurt my nation, my family, my friends, my Sahaba, he said, all have been pardoned, and they forgave all their sins, and they say we'll start a new community here. That is the lesson of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Please try to read it. Michael Hart, when he wrote the 100 personalities in the world, so what he did, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was the first person in his book, The 100. Go and read it. Dr. David Schwartz, go and read his book, The Magic of Thinking Big. Even he has not written in detail about Prophet Muhammad, but he has mentioned in some lines the positivity of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So don't be misguided. Don't show your brutality. Show the things which has got a relation with reality. Okay, I'm not here to create any hostile environment or any defeat to anyone or prove someone is wrong. No. We all are human beings. We all have our own religions, and we have our own religion rights. So live in a way that be respected and respect other people. By burning, you cannot prove a thing is wrong. Okay? So stop all these bloody acts and come back to the reality and accept what is acceptable. Okay. Allah Hafiz. Khuda Hafiz. Wama alayna illa al-balagh. प्यारे नबी पर हर पल लाखों दुरूद व सलाम।